Hello, I want to teach as many U.S. business owners, U.S. entrepreneurs, U.S. franchise owners, professionals, trades, and also self-employed how to stop paying federal and state income taxes legally with the Spendthrift Trust. It's legal. It's in the IRS Tax Code 643B. So few people have ever heard of this. I call it the secret of the rich. Hi, my name is Sally Gimmon, and on April 4th of 2020, my CPA called to say congratulations. I had wholesaled 7 bank-owned properties in 2019, and my tax bracket went from 22% to 24%, and all of a sudden I owed $94,000 in taxes. It's COVID. My 6 properties did not pay me on April 1st, and I had no money coming in, and I only had $50,000 saved. His solution was to set up an appointment with him, get on a payment plan, pay interest and penalties. My solution, a great book to read, is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. I went to bed on April 4th crying. You put an idea in your head, and you wake up on April 5th, and your subconscious mind has done everything. I knew my friend's husband did HELOCs and paid off houses. My townhouse was paid off. That's what I used some of the money for. And I was going to take a HELOC out of it. And then I also had read an article about the Rockefellers Spendthrift Trust. It's called The Office. Well, if the Rockefellers can save taxes, why can't Sally save taxes? So I now am an affiliate, a direct affiliate of a law firm that was started 78 years ago by a Harvard law professor. In 78 years, not a single trust has ever been audited. Now his grandson and great grandson run the law firm. And if they give you a certification saying if you get questioned by the IRS, they'll defend you free of charge. In 78 years, it's happened one time only. It was a beneficial trust that saves for U.S. investors to pay no taxes on any of your profits. It was a question about saving dividend income taxes. The senior IRS agent went down to Texas where the law firm was, spent 5 hours in the boardroom, approved it. And 2 weeks later, he sent an unsolicited letter back to the law firm saying how he approved it. Then he retired from being an IRS agent for 27 years and became an affiliate like I did. He went back to all the people he talked to. So now I'm going to share my screen. Give me 1 second. Today's example is a husband and wife in Taos, New Mexico. The wife has seen a video on YouTube. They run their own architectural firm, and they're at 35% tax bracket. They file married jointly. They started the trust in 2025, so for the full year of 2026, they would save $150,978. That breaks down to $126,538 in federal taxes. And on top of that, New Mexico state income taxes of $24,440. If they didn't start the trust until July of 2026, they would save $37,744 in July. In August, they would save $37,744. In September, they would save $37,744. In October, again, $37,744. And again, in November and December. The money they save, they can put back into their architect business. They can buy a new vehicle. They can pay off their mortgage. They can take their family on a great vacation. They have 2 children, start college funds for them. They can give their favorite charity, or they can save for retirement. Again, when you start the Spendthrift Trust, you're going to file a 1041 tax return, and we introduce you to the CPA. We have vetted for you. You're going to have access to this money because when you start a new Business Spendthrift Trust, you're going to set up a new bank account at a bank of your choice. They're going to give you a debit card. You can pay for things on the debit card, go into the bank and take out a cash withdrawal, and you're going to leave a legacy. Now, the other thing the Spendthrift Trust does is if you're over 65, it will also stop the IRMAA surcharge on Medicare's Part B and D. If you would like to set up a free 30-minute tax breakthrough session with me, it's www.thetrustisyou.com/scheduling. And then I have a free class on the Great Discovery. You just go out to my first name and my last name, squished together, Sally Gimmon. You're going to sign up as a free learner. The class is called Save U.S. Taxes Legally. There you're going to get a presentation, 3 articles from Forbes magazine I did not write, 2 pages of case law that you can research this to your heart's content, and examples of clients saving thousands of dollars. Now, the business trust is for anyone making 1099 income. I cannot help W-2 income earners, but Google says 35% of W-2 income earners have a side hustle. That was me. I was a Medicare broker making W-2 income and was a real estate investor on the side. If you are making 1099 income and making at least $100,000 a year, I guarantee you will save 5 figures in taxes year after year, generation after generation. Thank you for watching my video. Take care.